I'm just packing another order, and this one is for the sparkly scrunchie, so these ones. Okay, beautiful, beautiful scrunchies, really nice stretch to them as well. So let's pack this up. So this one was an order for 2 scrunchies, 2 hair bows, 2 gold hair bows, and these, let me just show you very quickly, these come with the little clip at the back. And a free gift of some elastic hair ties, no snag hair ties, really nice colour there. So that's a free gift, and let's get this done. So this is the finished packing in a pretty cellophane. So 2 scrunchies, 2 hair bows, and a free gift as well for the customer. Perfect. Thank you very much for your order.